Hello friend, welcome again your own channel. So today I am going to share you unlocking process for Oppo and lots of complaints in I saw in my comment section. There are lots of complaint about the Oppo Android model, and there are various model as mentioned in comment section. So I am not going to tell you about the one simple models or for Oppo model. So I am going to share you for unlocking process for all Oppo handsets. So if you are also thinking that the pin pattern finger face in my Oppo phone should be unlocked somehow, then this video will prove to be very effective for you. So you have to do nothing. I'm telling you this in some simple steps. You have to follow with me and you can remove your pin pattern finger face lock sitting at home. So get ready to unlock your phone. First put your phone in flight mode. Now you can see my phone is already in flight mode, and you can see this method is offline method. And after that, you if you slide the interface area, you can see this phone is locked to pin pattern, sorry, pin lock. So I and as you can see bottom on the screen, emergency call button is here. So first press on it, and I'm going to share you some FRP code for from Google. We have get, so apply this code, and now you can see you can take the screenshot. You can note down, you can take a screenshot and press call button minimum 5 times. After that, you can erase this code and apply this code. You know this code very well in my all the videos I applied. So engineer mode page is open, and now first check your manual test. We have to check manual test. Where is manual check? So next, device debugging page, sensor self test calibration, on press on it and press on both the option at the same time. Again we have to press on same time. One have to minimum passed. So now you can see one option is passed. So come back from this option, and again we have to check your proximity sensor test, and now you can see there are three options is coming. So second option we have to select and confirm here. Come back again, and now we have to check your magnetic sensor. These three are minimum have to synchronize in synchronizing mode. So wait here till to 15 second, 10 to 15 second, and come back from this option, and you can check text successful. Come back from here, and now after completing all the process, we have to check our phone is whether is locked or unlocked. So now it's time to the press the home button. So I'm going to press home button, and you can see my phone is unlocked without loss of any data or applications. So friend, I think your problem is resolved. If not resolved, so please confirm in my comment section. Then I will understand your phone is unlocked or not and what problem you are facing. So please confirm, and please subscribe our channel, like and share.